how to adjust the gap on the rear windows on 2017 2023 Mustang convertible. So first have to remove all the panels from here, everything. Then the other thing that you have to do is there is a 7mm bolt here, another 7mm bolt here, and one more down there. Then you have to remove the whole thing that holds the speaker. There is a 10mm here, 10mm over there, 10mm here, and one more 10mm here. You remove everything. You don't have to unplug anything, just loosen them. You remove this plug from here, and then inside you see the bolts that adjust the tiny window. It's 11mm, and you have to roll the window all the way up in order for you to have access to both of the bolts. Just loosen both of them a little bit. Roll the window all the way up, and go like this. As you can see, the gap is not perfect, so move it a little bit. Okay, you can't move the bottom, but you can adjust the top. Now you're back inside. Use the 11 with extension and tighten the bolts, but be careful. If you over tighten the bolts, you may shatter the glass. Doing it with one hand, okay? Okay, this one is tight. Double check. Now let's close the window and do a test. As you can see, perfect line. No need to use bacon grease, no need to use motor oil grease, baby oil. The only proper way to adjust it is from doing it this way.